Hello, welcome back to Walk Automotive. I'm here with my good friend.
Hello, I'm Daniel of Pounds for Hounds 91.
Here's his YouTube channel. Well, what are we doing today?
We, sir, I believe, having discussed this but moments prior to this being recorded, is a short 0 to 60 test to see if we can maintain or better factory figures from all those years ago.
1989,
2004,
130 horsepower when it was new, and yours made
89 PS from factory, 94.8.
Right, let's get on with it. No more talking.
Please enjoy it.
Oh! Wait.
Is that the thumbnail?
Yeah. Wait, you stand outside, almost like it's a picture start. Done. We'll see. Hello everyone. So, 0 to 60, or 62, depending on what country you're in. Okay. Ready to race. Moist out, and as you can see in here, or might have you, I've got a lot of transmission judder, wheel hop rather. Let's see, what did we do? What have we done so far? So I managed to hit 90 kilometers an hour in 7.6 seconds, but to hit 62, 8.9. It's mostly the launch, but I'm pretty happy with that. Anyway, let's go and check out the TAV.
Let's do this. Tell me about the whistles.
The whistles go woo!
well as my speedo under ease, doesn't it? So although I did 65 on speedo,
You didn't do 100 kilometres.
how close did I get?
80, 10 seconds. Try again.
Right, I took it to 65 mile an hour. Alright, start again.
It's restarted.
Is this
Try
a new
one more
screen?
time.
Yeah, I definitely did it that time. I heard a beep.
14.4 seconds to 60, my friend.
That is fucking terrible, isn't it?
It's not amazing, really, but we'll just get you in a shot.
Small.
So I cut that bit up. So, 0 to 80 kilometers an hour, so 51.
Yep.
9.6 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, 62. 14.4. Standard was 13 and a half.
13.7.
It's pretty damn good. Done better than I did. Mine was supposed to be 7.5. I've done it in 8.9. Down to the driver, you know what I mean? Michelin Cross Climates, sponsor the man, will you? Sponsor him.
Cross Climate 2s.
But anyway, you enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
Sounded good.
Thank you.
Anyway. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll do another outro. So, hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. Obviously, we're in Mexico/Germany at the moment.
Yep. Very cloudy this time of year in Tijuana. Ignore the car come past us. Or that
German.
one. Very
Maniacs.
Very German.
Anyway, you take care of yourself, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. All the rest of it.
Algorithm riders, subscribers, notification bell ringers, keyboard searchers, recommendations, sharers, carers, friends, old and new. Thank you very much for watching. Look forward to hearing from you all again soon.
Take care. Love you. Bye. Okay, so it's the next day, and I wasn't happy with how yesterday went. So today I'm gonna try again, see what I can get. Let's see what happens. Okay, again. Make sure you like, subscribe and share to your mates, you know what I mean, yeah?